So I'm just replacing my Nissan 370Z side indicators with some cool new sequential ones that I got from ZClub Australia, so shout out them. It's pretty simple to take these out. So basically you just like move that to the side indicator, you move it towards the door and then pull it out. So yeah, let's get going. So I'm just gonna get my trim remover tool and then you push it into the side and then you pull it out towards the door. And then you want to get your hands into it and sort of try and jimmy it out. And there you go. So you just unplug this and then replace the plug with the new one, which fits there. And then we'll have sequential side blinkers. Let's do it. This was a bit of a two-handed operation, so I couldn't film it unfortunately, but I basically just pushed in this little top bit here and then pulled that out and it came out pretty easy. While your side indicator is off, if you're a perfectionist like me, you might want to clean this while it's off. Might as well. Okay guys, they are side specific, so make sure you have the right side before you plug them in, because I did not. And then you're going to want to make sure that it's lined up on this side, and then in, and then lined up on this side, and it's good to go. All right, let's test these out. And we have sequential side indicators on the Nissan 370Z. Hope this video helped you guys. If you like this kind of stuff, then let me know in the comments. All right, bye.